airsoft practice. There's my friend John.
He's gonna get shot. Wait, but
Tickle,
you
tickle.
get shot today.
All right, fine.
That, like, wait, John, you hold the camera.
Yeah. You hold the camera.
I'm gonna shoot one bullet at it. John, hold it like this.
All right, this is John. We're gonna kill Chris.
No, not.
Anyway, this gun is pretty fake. It's a Nerf gun.
No, it isn't.
So
How does it?
that is so Nerf gun. Corey, that is a Nerf gun. Trying to make it funny. And that is so a Nerf gun. All right, now just shoot Chris. I'm tired of
Does it
arguing.
sound like a...
Oh, just shut up.
Oh!
Oh my God, you look so retarded right now. You look so retarded. That God, you look so retarded. God, that looks so retarded. And here's the scary car game. Boop, 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 boop. Scary car game. Scary car game.